Brilliant. We can do better though, come on.
Okay. If I forget some mistakes that we did, I would say fantastic. I would say amazing. No tactical problems. We are in control. Very good. But we made mistakes. We need to kill mistakes. We need to kill little problems. Transition. They are very fast. They are very intense. And they are not going to lose energy. They are not going to lose intensity. They will keep going until the end on this kind of situation. They are very fast. They are very powerful. We are going always to have problems with the speed. We are going to have different problems. But in terms of position, we cannot be caught in counter-attack by position. On the left side is Ben on one, is Jeff at there, almost as two left backs because they have two right wingers. Come on!
Tottenham's third defeat in a row.
How the fuck did we lose that? Fucking same every single game. 3 of the worst goals every single game. Same problem.
No, why you keep on saying these comments?
Because nothing's changed.
Okay, well then put a name on them at least, yeah?
It's the whole team. It's not
No,
one
put a
person.
name
What,
on
do
it.
you mean to name the whole fucking team? Do you mean to name the whole team?
You keep on
Do you want me
sitting
to
there
name the whole
going,
team?
oh shit goes, oh same
What,
problem.
it's the same fucking problem. How can I name it? It's not one
Just
person.
sit there.
What, do you mean to go around the whole fucking team? Do you mean to go around the whole team?
Just sit like a spoiled
Do
kid.
you mean to name the whole team? I'm not saying, I'm at fault as well. I'm not naming anyone because it's the whole fucking team.
Okay, then put a name on it.
Do you mean to name the whole team?
Yeah, name the whole team.
What's the point in that? It's the whole
Name the
fucking team.
Every game, you do this. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I'm fucking angry, Eric. You just sit there and everything. Come on. It's a good thing. It's a good
It'd be more
thing.
helpful if you did.
Let me speak now.